Hello friends, in this video we are going to show how to resolve this issue. Find customer referee. So you can see this is a table, and this table have this customer table have ID name and referee ID. Okay, so here is the problem statement. Find the name of the customer that are not referred by customer ID with ID2. Okay, so we need to find out the name of the customer which is not referred by ID2. That means the name is Jen, ID2, and which is not referred by ID2. Okay, so output should be like this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so this is the output. So let me write a query for that. Select, we need to find the name, select name from what is the table name. Table name is customer, and where name is equal to not is equal to 2. Okay, so let me try like this, where name not equal to where ID reference ID not equal to 2. Okay, so let me try this one. So there is some error, so let me do this one and let me try. So it is a wrong answer. Okay, so let me try here the college, CUAL ESCE, and then this referee ID, and there's a null value is here. Okay, so we have to give the this one. So let me try. So you can see this is the expected result. Earlier we were trying with this one without this one, then it was wrong since there's a null value. Okay, so if there's a null value, then we have to use this college in the where statement. So after using this college in the where statement, it's the correct answer, it's accepted. So this is the solution of this problem. Thank you.